So I wanted to do this because I want everyone to understand that leadership is not a title. See, right now, everyone is asking, every employer is asking the same question. Why can't young people lead? Why are they avoiding conflict? Why do they quit before the hard part? Or why do they quit when the hard part? Why do they wait to be told what to do and when to do it? And everyone is pointing fingers at schools, at phones, at this generation, but nobody is asking the right question. Where does leadership actually get built? Where are they actually learning it? It's not in a classroom. It's not in a job training program. It starts at home. It starts at the kitchen table, in the car, in the moment when a kid watches how their parent handles something hard. Leadership is not a title. It is not a rank. It is not something that gets handed to you at graduation. It's installed moment by moment, one standard at a time. One follow through at a time, one moment where somebody who loves you held the line instead of letting you fall. And I've watched this happen on my mat for 20 years. I know what a kid looks like who has it and what a kid looks like who doesn't. And I can tell you the difference is almost always comes back to the people in their life holding them to that standard. And you don't have to have a title to be a leader because you're already leading someone. You're leading yourself first. And your kids are watching you right now and deciding what leadership looks like. And the question is not whether you're leading. The question is whether you're doing it on purpose, whether you're being intentional, whether you're making conscious choices on how you want to show up. And that's what I teach. That is what I build. And it starts with one decision. And it's just to hold a standard. It's to define your standard and then to hold it, to say what you mean and follow through with what you mean every time. Because you're not the angry one. You're just the steady one. You become the predictable one. You become the one that they know they can count on. So that is the leadership. That is a leader. And if you want to learn how to do this, I built something for you. Just comment scripts and I'll send you the free scripts, or you can go to leadwithoutyelling.com and use the app. It's all right there for you so that you can start today.